Hello and welcome back to, it's December 31st, 2025, and this is the last video that I will be doing for this year. So I thought it would be nice to do a recap of some of the stuff that happened in 2025 for our gardening season and for the flower farming season. So I'm going to be putting some videos together that's going to be coming up on this video here, and it's going to kind of be a recap, some of our harvests, some new stuff that we tried. We tried soil blocking this year for the first time. We tried the seed snails this year for the first time. And I do plan on still using the soil blocking, and I do plan on still using the seed snails for certain things. We have some new flowers and stuff that we're going to be trying out for 2026. So those are going to be coming in videos next year, which is tomorrow. It's hard to believe that we are at the end of 2025. It kind of seems like this year just kind of went by really fast. And we had the deer there at, I guess it was starting, I think it was in August, they started destroying the flower farm, which it's not funny. It's frustrating for what they did. We had a really nice corn harvest this year and vegetable harvest. And we did still get some flowers off, but it's not what I was hoping to get off. So these videos are just kind of little clips. I set them to music. They're coming up right now. So the celosia crop was beautiful. We had a lot of other beautiful flowers this year, and we are trying to think. Yeah, we are going to be growing some different vegetables next year as well. We're going to be adding some different pepper types, some different sweet peppers, so we can make our sweet pickled peppers. And trying to think, some different lettuces that we're going to be trying out, and some different flowers. So going to change a few things. We're talking about possibly planting some stuff back down in the Hollow Garden again, because my heirloom seed saving project that I'm working on, some of my stuff is heirloom, so to keep from the cross pollination, it's going to be going down further away from some of the other plants so they don't cross pollinate back and forth. But we're still kind of working some details out, talking about some different things. Now is a great time to start going over your stuff, figuring out what you're going to plant, making sure that you have all your supplies. I tried to buy all my seeds early. I was technically done buying seeds, but there's 2 or 3 things that I might add. I was kind of looking into some different stuff, so I'm not sure about that yet, so I'm not going to say like what they, well, I guess I can. I was thinking about adding some different gourds back in, and I was thinking about, what is that called? It's some kind of melon, and you can make pies out of it. I don't remember the name of it. It came up on my screen the one day when I was looking at some different seeds. I can't remember the name of what they called it, but you're supposed to be able to make pies out of it. Some people liked it, some people didn't like it, so I haven't really gotten to do too much research on it. I've been busy with other stuff, but we have some new lavender varieties we're going to be trying out next year, so different herbs. So looking forward to seeing what next year brings, and hopefully we can figure out how to keep the deer out of this stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed the recap from this year, and so I want to thank everybody who continues to watch the videos on the channel, and I hope that you are learning, and I hope that you are benefiting from the videos, and that it's, you know, helping to put food on your table, and you have pretty flowers to grow and look at and share with other people. So I really appreciate you watching and staying with the channel. So I hope that you have a safe and happy new year, and I look forward to coming back with more videos in the new year, and having the opportunity to be able to help you grow with your gardens, and trying and experimenting out with new plants and seeing how they grow and how they work. So happy gardening and happy new year. Bye.